Welcome to my honest review of Affinity CRM, a platform built to enhance professional relationship management for businesses and individuals. In this video, I will walk you through the key features, user interface, pricing options, and overall experience of using Affinity CRM. Whether you're considering a new CRM or looking to switch from an existing one, this review aims to provide everything you need to make an informed decision. Affinity CRM is particularly known for its focus on relationship intelligence. Unlike many other CRMs that emphasize task or project management, Affinity centers around leveraging data to build and maintain meaningful connections. This unique approach sets it apart from conventional tools in the CRM space. The platform's intuitive dashboard is designed for ease of use, allowing you to visualize and track your relationships effectively. When you log into Affinity, the home screen greets you with a clean and customizable dashboard. From here, you can quickly access recent interactions, key insights, and updates about your network. Adding contacts to the platform is seamless, with integrations that pull data directly from your email and calendar, saving you hours of manual entry. The auto association feature links communications to the right contact, providing a complete view of your interactions without extra effort. Affinity CRM's strength lies in its analytics. The platform provides actionable insights, such as relationship strength scores, to help prioritize connections that matter most to your business. These scores are calculated using email activity, meeting frequency, and other engagement factors, ensuring that your outreach is timely and relevant. One standout feature is the pipeline management tool, tailored for deal flow tracking. It is visually appealing and intuitive, allowing you to monitor opportunities and ensure no deal slips through the cracks. The drag-and-drop functionality makes pipeline adjustments quick and simple, perfect for teams looking to optimize their sales or fundraising processes. Affinity CRM also supports team collaboration. With real-time updates and shared contact lists, team members can stay on the same page effortlessly. Permissions can be adjusted to maintain control over who accesses sensitive data, adding an extra layer of security. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching this review, as they may provide additional insights and tools to boost your productivity. Pricing for Affinity CRM varies depending on the package you choose, with tailored options for teams of different sizes. While it may not be the most budget-friendly CRM on the market, the value it offers in terms of relationship management and analytics often justifies the cost for those who rely heavily on maintaining professional connections. Affinity CRM offers a mobile app that keeps your contacts, deals, and insights accessible on the go. The app is user-friendly, syncing seamlessly with the web version to ensure you stay productive even when away from your desk. To summarize, Affinity CRM is a robust tool for those who prioritize relationships in their business operations. Its data-driven insights, intuitive design, and collaborative features make it a strong contender in the CRM market. If you're looking for a tool to help you nurture and expand your professional network, Affinity CRM is worth exploring. Thank you for watching this comprehensive review of Affinity CRM. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Your support helps us create even more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.